This is the 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, and what we're going to do today is just start her up, show you how nice it starts. We're going to keep the choke pushed in, the throttle pushed in. You only use that when it's cold. We did pull this out of the garage. It's 28 degrees out here today. That's Fahrenheit. And there it starts. What we're going to do, you'll see the lights from the outside on. There's your turn signals. There's the left, there's the right. It also has an emergency flasher. This is an aftermarket unit. I'm going to leave those on. It also has some fog lamps in the front. We'll put those on so you can see those. But check out the interior on this. It's nice. There's absolutely no rips or tears of any kind. Nice headliner. The paint is beautiful. There's your tags. I got pictures of that. The VIN number and everything matches the title. I'll shut that door. The paint is beautiful. When you look at it, you're not going to see any orange peel or anything like that. It's just a nice condition. It was professionally done. All the chrome is nice. Listen to the engine. It's extremely quiet, very powerful. There's your light. There's your one blinker on this side. We had that on in the car. You can see the headlights are on. And there's your fog lights that are on. Just take a quick walk around here again. And you can see that blinker working. Bumpers in beautiful condition. All the tires are great. Look at the bed of the truck. The wood is beautiful. The weather stripping on the vehicle is nice. This vehicle needs nothing. It just runs great, goes down the street straight, smooth, suspension, steering, everything is good. And what we'll do is we'll just click on the other blinker. Just take a quick walk around. You can see it going here on this side. That does have brake lights too. And there's your other blinker over here. Again, listen to that engine, very quiet, very nice vehicle. It's been well taken care of and maintained over the years. All the electrical is good. This is a 1950 Chevrolet 3100, and if you're interested, give Nick a call at Dream Cruise Classics. That's 586-453-9316.